Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for QQQ. The report was first published on our website Friday, September 30, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell QQQ? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since September 29, 2022, our system ranks the QQQ ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.890. In this period the stock has had a loss of -1.70%. This is an average return of -0.85% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, QQQ ETF price down 1.7% on Friday. The QQQ ETF price fell by -1.70% on the last day, Friday, September 30, 2022, from $271.87 to $267.26. It has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 3.03% from a day low at $267.10 to a day high of $275.19. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by -7.62% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -3 million shares and in total, 78 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $20.84 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $408.71, and the lowest price was $267.10. Right now the price is 34.61%, or $141.45, below 52-week high at $408.71, which also is all-time high for the ETF. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -3.92% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -3.92% and 17.23%. The 12-month trend indicates a -26.90% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -35.07% and -13.10%. This equals a price between $173.54 and $232.24 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for QQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The QQQ ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $274.79 and $300.41. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, August 15, 2022, and so far it has fallen -19.76%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 34 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 18 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the ETF may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $8.09 between high and low, or 3.03%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 2.79%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.19. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, QQQ meets first resistance at $271.87. If you do not hold QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is QQQ ETF a buy? QQQ holds several negative signals and is within a wide and falling trend, so we believe it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We therefore hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 3rd, we expect QQQ to open up $2.59 and start trading at $269.85. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.